Hey, how are you all doing, and welcome to another Inside Tegiwa. As always, I'll be rounding up the previous month, which this time round it's October. So let's get straight on with it, as it's a busy one. It's been an exciting month here at Tegiwa headquarters, with our tyre test finally going ahead and a host of new products joining our website. Which brings us nicely to our latest brand, Michelin tyres. Michelin has been around for over 100 years now, so it's safe to say they know a thing or two about tyres. We are proud to be able to offer you some of the best tyres that Michelin has to offer. Whether for road use with an occasional track day, or just a track day tyre that you can drive to the circuit on. Whichever it is, Tegiwa now has you covered. A theme throughout the year during our latest product section is new parts for the GR Yaris, and October is no exception. We're delighted to offer the latest products from Mud Flap Factory in the form of their new mud flaps for the GR. As we know, the GR Yaris was born for rallying, and the road-going version still retains that aesthetic. So these will enhance its appearance even more, with standard length or a shorter version available for lowered cars. The guys at Vtec Motorsport certainly aren't showing any signs of slowing down when it comes to producing new components for the GR Yaris either. This month we saw their quick shift kit launched to the market that aims to reduce gear throw by up to 61%. At just under £65, we're sure that these are going to be a very popular modification going forwards. If you're looking to upgrade your Civic EP3 or FN2 brakes from the OEM components, then these brand new discs from PPS are a great place to start. Featuring high carbon content that provides superior strength over heavy duty cycles on track, these discs are the perfect match when using PPS brake pads. The news that a lot of you have been waiting for, our track day tyre test finally happened this month. We put some of the fan favourites through their paces at Alton Park to see how they stacked up against each other. Make sure you check out the YouTube video and read our blog to see how they compared. The 2021 UK Time Attack season got wrapped up this month at Snetterton. Our very own Mike Birch secured second place in the Pocket Rocket class, whilst Tegiwa director Luke took the honours in the Pro 2-wheel drive class. We'll be back bigger and better for 2022 with a much improved power plant in our Honda NSX, so be sure to watch this space for updates. Luke has also been busy away from Time Attack too. He recently joined forces with the renowned YouTuber Jimmy Broadbent and GT test driver Ellis Hadley in the Fun Cup Championship this month. Be sure to check out Jimmy's video to see how they got on.
Battle of these guys, it was damn awesome. And on the last lap now, coming up to the last corner, Luke is forced to defend for his life, hugging the inside line there as the 14 looks for a way by.
The weekend just gone, we welcomed the return of Vtec Junkies to Tegiwa headquarters. We had a great turnout as the first one back since the pandemic. However, the weather could have been better. Finally, we wanted to give you a little heads up about something we've got planned next month. our biggest sale of the year, Black Friday. We can confirm that discounts will go live on Monday the 22nd of November and will run right the way through until midnight on Tuesday the 30th of November. Make sure you follow our social media channels to see what offers will be running. And that rounds up the month of October. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our future content, and if you enjoyed the video then please leave a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and I'll see you all in the next one. See you later.